A splendid rare view of wild herbivores grazing together in the grasslands of Manas National Park. The wild elephants, the water buffalo, the Indian gaur, and one-horned rhinoceros, along with deers, are grazing the new leaves of Mother Nature in the grasslands of Manas National Park. The park has awesome habitat of grasslands for these wild herbivores. The new grass sprouted after a long dry season has made a splendid food for these wild herbivores. Thank you. Every simple adventure. Go green. Every simple adventure.